Hello friends, today I would like to discuss about the few concepts of properties of gases. So in the gases, the first point, packing. Here the intermolecular spaces are very large in gases, so the molecules are very loosely packed. And when we go to force of attraction, the force of attraction between the molecules is very weak. And the third one, shape. Gases have no definite shape because the gases do not have fixed shape as the particles are very far apart because of negligible force of attraction, and these particles can move in all directions, so they do not have any open surface. Like liquids, the gases can also acquire the shape of the container. For example, different balloons have different shapes, is it not? When we go to volume, gases do not have fixed volume because the particles have high kinetic energy and can move in all directions before they can occupy the given space. When you go to compressibility property, gases can be compressed to a much larger extent than solids and liquids. This is because the molecules are very far apart in gases and come much closer when pressure is applied. You can push in a lot of air into the small volume of your cycle tube because air is very compressible. The next one is called density. The density of gases is very low. The particles of gases are very far apart. It means the number of particles per unit volume are very few, so mass per unit volume density is very low. When you come to the point rigidity and fluidity, intermolecular attraction is least in gases because of large intermolecular spaces. Due to this reason, they have negligible rigidity and high fluidity. And when you come to the last two concepts like expansion and contraction, a gas expands or contracts to a great extent on being heated or cooled. On being heated, gas molecules become more energetic and move even farther apart. In other words, the gas expands because the intermolecular force is very small and the expansion is great. On being cooled, gas molecules become less energetic and move less vigorously, and this brings them close enough for intermolecular attraction to come into play. This brings the molecules closer still. The intermolecular space is considerably reduced. In other words, the contraction is great. When you come to diffusion, gases freely mix with one another because the molecules of a gas can easily occupy the large intermolecular spaces of another gas. This property is known as diffusion. When you come to free surface, gases have no free surface. So these are the properties of gases. Thank you. Hello friends, today I would like to discuss about the few concepts of properties of gases. So in the gas